Hello dear friends and companions. In this video, we are going to show you how to prepare a kiwi and honey smoothie and talk about the properties of the blooming kiwi fruit. Kiwi is a very rich source of vitamin C, and its vitamin C content is more than oranges. Vitamin C in kiwi is 2 times that of oranges, 6 times that of limes, and the amount of nutrients is 8 times that of apples. Its black seeds also contain vitamin D. Kiwi also contains vitamin A, vitamins B1, B3, B2, and other B vitamins. Kiwi is a very low-calorie fruit. There are 47 calories in 100 grams of kiwi, and in terms of calories, it is on the same level as apricots and tangerines. Its potassium content is higher than bananas. It has a very high amount of magnesium, and also the antioxidant present in kiwi can prevent all types of cancers, especially digestive tract cancer. For this reason, it reduces the possibility of some cancers and heart diseases. Kiwi also contains copper, iron, and phosphorus. Kiwi is a fruit that has high nutrients and very low calories, so it can be placed in the category of very useful fruits. Also, regular consumption of kiwi and honey smoothies is effective in eliminating toxins and excess substances in the body, therefore, it makes for a healthy and glowing skin. Vitamin E in kiwi keeps the skin moist and is used to regenerate skin cells and make it flexible and young. Some of the therapeutic properties of this fruit. Kiwi is one of the best fruits for treating constipation. Kiwi is in the group of alkaline fruits, which can cause youth of the skin, cause the dilution and decrease of blood concentration. This fruit can be beneficial in the treatment of sleep disorders. It is useful for the eyes, prevents hair loss and increases hair growth, preserves the natural color of hair. Diabetics can eat without worrying. Kiwi can help prevent colon cancer.
If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and leave your comments. Thank you.